An uncharged capacitor of capacitance 4 microfarad, a battery of EMF 12 volt, and a resistor of 2.5 mega ohm, okay, are connected in series. The time after which the voltage across the capacitor will be equal to 3 times the voltage across the resistance will be equal to. Now, first of all, before we go into this part, understand that there is a RC circuit, okay, there is a R and there is a C circuit, and it is connected to a battery, okay. So over here, when the battery, now the capacitor is getting charged, okay, when the capacitor is getting charged, so the charge on the capacitor varies as per the time, and the charge is given as Q is equal to Q naught 1 minus E divided by small t divided by tau, where tau is the constant, okay, or the time constant, okay. Now basically let us see what is Q naught. Q naught is the final charge developed. It will be equal to C into V, okay, basically it will be equal to C into V. So Q over here will be equal to C into V, that is the capacitance into the EMF of the battery. Let it be equal to EMF of the battery. Let me write this as capital E, okay, let the EMF of the battery, let me write this as capital E, 1 minus E divided by small t by capital T. Now capital T, that is the time constant, is equal to RC, okay, it is equal to RC. So let it be as it is, okay, let this part be as it is, okay, let this be equation number 1, okay. Now when the battery gets charged, okay, okay, initially there will be maximum current flowing and the current will diminish, and at a certain point the current finally will become zero when the capacitor finally gets charged completely, okay. So the voltage developed across the resistor at any part, will be given as I into R. So basically this is the voltage developed across the resistor, okay. So basically we have to find out the I, okay, we know the value of R, we have to find out the value of I can be found out by differentiating this part, that is equal to dq by dt, which is equal to C into E into, it will be equal to, when I differentiate this will be constant, the differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of minus E raised to T divided by RC will be equal to minus E T divided by RC, differentiation of T by RC or minus, this will be equal to minus, okay. So minus T by RC will be over here, it is equal to minus 1 divided by R into C, okay, minus 1 divided by R into C, okay, which is equal to, the current over here will be equal to, if I simplify this part, C and C will get cancelled out. So the current over here will be equal to, E divided by R into, it will be equal to E raised to minus T divided by RC, okay. Now the voltage across the R will be equal to, current is given as E by R into E raised to minus T divided by RC into R, okay. So basically VR will be equal to E into E raised to minus T by RC. This is the voltage developed across the resistor. Let it be equation number 2. What is the voltage developed across the capacitor? Voltage developed across the capacitor can be written as Q divided by C, that is the charge divided by C. So the same answer will be equal to E 1 minus E raised to minus T by RC, okay. Let this be equation number 3. Now in the question it is given that the voltage developed across the capacitor is 3 times the voltage developed across the resistor. So the voltage developed across the capacitor will be equal to 3 times the voltage developed across the resistor. So the voltage developed across the capacitor is equal to E 1 minus E raised to minus T by RC is equal to 3 times the voltage developed across the resistor. Across the resistor it is given as 3E into, it will be E raised to minus T divided by RC, okay, divided by RC over here. So I can cancel out E and E, okay. So 1 will be equal to, 1 over here will be equal to 4 times E raised to minus T by RC, okay, that is E raised to minus T by RC is equal to 1 by 4, or I will take log on both the sides, minus T divided by RC will be equal to minus T divided by RC is equal to log 1 by 4, which can be written as log 1 by 2 the whole square, okay. Now I will take 2, which can be written as 2 log of, or I can write this as minus 2 log 2, okay. Basically I can write this as minus 2 log 2, okay, that is 1 by minus T by RC is equal to minus 2 log 2, okay. So minus and minus sign will get cancelled out, and log 2 is given, so T will be equal to R 2 RC into log 2, okay. Let us substitute the values and get the answer. 2 into R. R is given as the resistance is given as 2.5 mega ohms, and the capacitance is given as 4 microfarad. Okay, so 2.5 mega ohms, so 2.5 into 10 is to 6, and the capacitance over here is given as 4 microfarad. Okay, so it will be equal to 4 microfarad, which is equal to 4 into 10 is to minus 6. Log 2. Now what is the value of log 2? Log 2 is given as 0.693. Okay, log 2 is given as 0.693. Okay, so 0.69 into 3. Okay, so basically 10 is to 6 and 10 is to minus 6 will get cancelled out. Okay, it will be equal to 2.5 into 4 is equal to 10. So 20 into 10, that is equal to 2 into 6.93. Okay, it will be equal to roughly equal to somewhere around 14, that is somewhere below 14, that is equal to 13.86, which is equal to option number B.